On that there, I don't know if you can see that over there. I ain't got a clue what it means. You know what I mean? Could mean anything. I mean, it's like alien writing.